Why is it important that for a minister to have rest, like a time away from time to time? Come on!
Siyempre, the Lord is Lord even of the Sabbath. So if He valued rest, we should also value it. Kumbaga, minsan, lalo na pag leader ka, marami kang ginagawa, and para sa ministry, dinidisciple, sometimes you get exhausted, you burn out ka. And yung iba, push pa rin ng push para makapag-minister, even when sometimes alam na nila na burn out na sila. So, actually, resting makes you even more productive.
And effective.
Yes.
And effective.
Effective. And more passionate when you get back on sa pag-minister sa mga tao. And for serving the Lord.
For
Ikaw,
sure.
anong tinuro sa'yo ni Lord regarding sa Sabbath or sa rest?
First and foremost, that our relationship with God is not religious. So sometimes, when we're too busy in the ministry, it feels like, without us knowing, sometimes it looks and it feels like a religion na. It's not anymore like, out of anything you do is no longer because of the relationship you have. It's just because sometimes nagiging routine na, because you're just expected to do things, and people expect you to be present, people expect you to show up, diba? And minister. And to us, sometimes we're unaware na before we know it, it becomes now a religion. Because you just do it because you're required. Even
You're
if
expected to do it.
Oh, pero sometimes in the inside, you are already like longing for like an alone time as well. So like Jesus, diba? From time to time, talagang he goes away alone, away from everyone. Even Jesus needed that. Tayo pa ba? Na we are not perfect, almost perfect lang. What? So yun lang. So to avoid like being trapped in religion, you must be intentional with your time away with the Lord.
Oh, and ayaw din naman natin na at the end of the day, nasisisihin natin yung ministry dahil hindi tayo nakapag-spend time masyado kay Lord.
Yeah.
Or hindi natin na fulfill din yung needed rest ng ating mga katawan. Then hindi siya nakaka-bless kay Lord if that happens. Whereas if you have rested and you come back passionate and then eager again to minister, may love, joy, peace, di ba?
Love, joy, hope.
Love, joy, hope. And ayun, mas nakaka-bless siya kay Lord because it doesn't anymore become a sacrifice but a love language kay Lord when you serve Him with your whole heart na happy ka.
And
Hindi burden.
just like what Ate Kim Walker said before, keep an unoffended heart. Pero really, when we are tired, sometimes we operate in an offended heart. Especially as a minister, sometimes there are really moments na parang you will just find yourself saying, I'm always here, parang naman nila, busy din ako. We still, parang eventually we get there when we are burdened and burned out. So, for you to keep an unoffended heart, you need to rest. Otherwise, makakaaway mo na lahat. Kasi anything triggers you.
Yes.
Anything at all.
What are the ways na siguro maipa-practice nila yung resting?
Go away, go to a place, a farm, or like watch the sunset, sunrise. And at least, even if overnight, even if you're in the same city and you just mag-staycation ka lang in a hotel or
kung may car ka, just drive.
I do that diba? Every
Yes.
Monday. Drive lang, enjoy the scenery, or naka sa coffee shop din, or better yet, actually, just go away with the Lord.
But you should find the balance din. Huwag kang mag-rest dun sa time na kailangan ka ng mga... For example, on a Sunday service, kasi mag-rest ako ngayon.
Oh, there's so many days in a week. So,
Yes. And
not
we
the
only
days
have
naman.
one day be with the congregation worshiping God, diba? You can rest all throughout the week. Mag-choose ka ng kahit isang day or even after work. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na
Really?
kailangan whole day ka talaga mag-rest. Just find your time with God.
That's right. And you can never go wrong in choosing to show up really on mga days. Just make sure, parang you commit the times. Like Sundays or, you know. Pero hindi naman always.
Yeah.
Not always. If you have to really be away on a Sunday because it's the only day na talagang freest ka. But not like habitual absence on a Sunday. Not
Tama.
nice.
Tama.
If you don't have a choice, unless it's a life and death situation, kung wala naman yung importante sa work, choose to at least take one day off from work.
And for those na gustong mag-rest, actually, you will only be rested when you are in an attitude of prayer then. I mean, in constant communication kay Lord.
Yes.
Kasi if you just went
away.
out, go away without even talking to God, I don't...
Same long.
Yes, the stresses will still find you.
Yeah.
And you'll be thinking of your problems. But when you get to have fellowship with God, at least nada-divert yung attention mo dun sa greatness na Lord. So, you are indeed resting. And one thing na na-learn ko is from MacArthur ba yun na ano?
I shall return.
Hindi, John MacArthur yata. Na isang preacher na if ever daw mag-minister siya, for example 2 hours, he should spend time 4 hours with the Lord, talking with God kung ano yung will ni Lord or ano yung gustong sabihin na message ni Lord dun sa tao.
Right,
So,
okay.
I think that's a good practice din para sa atin kasi we really need to be filled muna before we go out and preach to the people, di ba? Just like yung nangyari dun kay Ezekiel, symbolically, pinakain ni Lord yung scroll sa kanya. That means he needs to be filled first. And then, after that, he needs to go out para yung kinain niya na scroll, na na-fill siya, Yun yung sasabihin
Can
natin sa
feed
mga
the
tao.
others with that.
Yes, because we can never give anybody something that we do not have.
Alright, so in conclusion, do not just rest, have a purposeful rest.
And find the balance.
Yes, that's so meaning parang don't just go away. Be intentional in finding time away, resting in the Lord.
Yeah.
Purposeful. Goodbye guys. Thank you.